Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a very long way to go, and this is very serious. You don't want to miss this part. This, if you have been following me since all these days and you are from my channel or wherever you are, take a moment to subscribe, or we are going to lock things now to you. So this is the main part where everything gets very interesting. This thing that I'm about to dive into, I paid roughly 35,000 naira to learn it, and I'm giving it for free now. It's not because I am a fool, because I have promised that I'm going to give it for free. All right, and you guys can learn. All right, so there are various things when it comes to Facebook advertisement. We have a lot of things when we come to Facebook advertisements. So right now we are just going to get into the mini part. So sooner or later we will get to the maximum part where you will have a custom website, a custom landing page, a high paid this thing, launch your this thing outside of Nigeria. All right. So, and a lot of things can be done doing that way. So now, in order to create a Facebook card, we need a two setting. Number one, we need to create a profile, business profile, and number two, we need to create a Facebook ad account. All right. So, and maybe lastly, we need Facebook page. I believe you will have watched the video. I put it in the link below, so you can watch it if you have not watched it already. So without wasting our time, let's move to where we can create our business profile. So how do I actually address this to you? So let me tell you something. I will type business.facebook.facebook. All right. So here, this is what it gave us, and we are just going to press this first one. So we are just going to press that first one, and where we insert it, let's see what we have. So automatically it will bring me to this point. You can see here, this is called a desktop site. This desktop site means that it automatically change my phone to to desktop. All right. So this is actually called business portfolio. All right. So let me quickly explain business portfolio for you. So guys, this best way I can explain this thing for you. I hope you have seen the illustration on my screen right now. So the Facebook business portfolio is the mother of everything. It's the one that governs Facebook ad and pages. All right. So in order to create your Facebook card, you need the Facebook profile portfolio. Automatically, the moment you create your Facebook account, I mean your normal account, automatically Facebook gives you one business portfolio, which is your main account. But we are not going to use that one because that one can damage at any time, and once it damage, it will affect all your Facebook profile and Facebook, everything on your Facebook. But if you create another one and that one get issue, by the means of the former one, you can still create another one, which will make it two. All right, and you can see by there start doing whatever you want to be doing. Okay, so firstly we have Facebook manager, we have Facebook business, then we have Facebook ad, then we have pages, Facebook pages. So, and all these three work together. So the Facebook ad came from Facebook portfolio, and this one stand on its own. But in order for anything that to display, in order for anything that you display from here to reach people, it has to come from Facebook to Facebook page, then it will go out to people. All right. So in order for people to see what you created in your Facebook page, in your Facebook account, it will go out from here, it will reach your Facebook page, then Facebook page will push it to people. So nobody is going to see this one. So nobody is going to see this one. Nobody is going to see this one. People only see this one. Okay, it's the pages is what people only see, and that is why you have to make your page really look good. So and I have created a video about it. Under this very video, I have linked how to create a monetized Facebook page. Okay, so you can just go there and watch it if I have not watched it yet. So let's move to the. So now that I have explained everything that I need to explain, please let's move to where we have to move to. So now let's go and create our Facebook profile, now our business profile. Then we will create our ad accounts. Then we create our ad account, and after that we will see whether we can move forward. So in order for you to create your Facebook portfolio, you press here. So when you press there, you can see we have a two business portfolio here. You can see this one. Then how to create a brand new one. You will see the create a Facebook profile, business. So here you'll be asked to input your business name. So I'm going to put digital style. All right, I'm going to put a digital style. I'll put my name, Ajinde. Let me just put Ajinde there. Adebowale. All right, so let me just put it there. And email, I'll put the email that I use in this account. Just make sure you put one email there. All right, so let me put email us too. So this is the email I use in this account. So now let me show you something. Once you press create, they are going to send you an email, which you have to confirm. All right, so they are going to send you an email to confirm that your email is working. So I'll press create, and that is loading now. So now they ask me which this thing I want to add. All right, they ask me on which account I want to be running my ad on. This is page. On which page I want to be running my ad. I can skip this one, so you can skip it. If you want to pick anyone, you can just mark it there. All right, so you can just mark it there and continue. So you just press next. All right, here there's nothing else you want to do. You just have to press next. Sorry, so you just have to press next. Okay, now they are telling you that they will send you an email. Just press confirm. Okay, you can see now. If I go to my Gmail, let's look whether we receive the email truly. And as you can see here, Facebook actually sent us an email. So it tell us to confirm our email. So I just have to press confirm now. So now we have this one created, okay? And this is where we are going to be working. All right. Under here we have a lot of tools that you can do. So, but we are not going to look that one. So we just you press this place. So when you press it, so when you press that place, you will have something like this. So you have to fill this place. Okay, you can see all these things here. You will fill them. Okay, and you will save it. Actually, see that this is my seller shop that I link here. It doesn't matter. This is my seller shop that I link here. So you can just leave that tax ID. Just leave it there. Nigeria is not using tax ID for now. All right. And if you are doing tax ID, you can just put your tax ID there. There's no problem. I think they just update it right now. So okay. So now that that has been solved. So now everything that one has been filled. So we just have to create add accounts. Okay, you can see add accounts there. You press on add accounts. So now that you press your add accounts, you just have to press add. Okay, you just have to press add. So when you press add, you create new. All right, you put name on it, digital style. Okay, so this place, this is your time zone. You change it to Nigeria. Let me check. You can see Africa Lagos here. Type Africa Lagos. You put it here. You press next. You leave it on my business. So you mark it. All right. You mark I agree to terms and condition. All right. You create an ad account. And that way, our ad account has been created. So to be truthful, another thing we have to do now is to add our payment option. All right. So right now, you just have to press that one. And guys, now that we have created our business portfolio and our ad account, so the next thing we are going to do is we will head back to this place called open in ad manager. So you press that place. So once you press that place, a new blank will open. So a new page will open. Once the new page will open, it's going to load like this. You just have to be patient that thing load finish. All right. So when it load finish, then we move forward. Our ad manager has opened. The next thing we are going to do is to add the payment method, of which we are going to pay Facebook in order to push our content to the customer or to the people that needed to see it. All right. So now the first thing we are going to do is we will press. You come to this place. Okay. You come to that place. When you press, come to that place. When you press it, it is called overview. Okay. So when you press the overview, you just have to hold on. So you just have to hold on. Everything has been listed now. So what you have to do now is to come to your payment, add payment method. So when you press add payment method, it will load. Something like this will load. Okay. So you just have to go down, press, don't touch anything here. Just don't touch anything. Just next. Okay. You hold on. You hold on. Now, this is where you are going to choose the payment method. Please don't make mistake that you cannot reverse. There are some mistakes that you can never reverse when creating this. One of the mistake is choosing wrong payment method. Here we are going to choose only pay by bank transfer. Okay, not by credit card, not by USSD, not by pay in naira or visa, not by any other thing. So you are going to pay by transfer. Okay, make sure you can see now. Just leave everything there. Once you pay by transfer, by bank transfer, just leave everything there. Okay, so you press next. So you press next. So you can skip this one. Just skip it. All right, you can just skip that one. So here you put amount that you want to put inside your account. Let's say I want to put 2,000 naira. Let's say I want to put 2,000 naira. Okay, we just put 2,000 there. So you just put 2,000 like you press next. And when you press next, it's going to generate you, I think, a Paga account. The last time I used, I think, a Paga account is going to generate your Paga account in another distance. So you will make transfer to that Paga account and it will reflect in your own account. Okay. All right. You can see. You will now press open pay by bank transfer. You see here. You see here. So once you press open pay by bank transfer, it will open another space. You can see that it opened another space for me now. So it's expecting me to make transfer. So let's wait for that to do. You can see it actually give me bank. Okay. So it give me bank. So the name on the bank is Meta Ad. You may see another thing that follow. So it gave me Fidelity. So this one, my own is Paga, my other account is Paga. So this one is Fidelity. So immediately you make transfer to this account, please and please don't copy this account and keep it somewhere. Anytime you want to make payment, come here, pass through the same procedure and make payment. Don't keep this account or else you will lose your money. Or else, so after that, once they pay you, once you pay them, they will send you email via this one. The email that you use when you are creating your this thing. So they will send you the email. And when they send you the email, it will reflect immediately in your account. By then, you are capable of running your ad. Okay? Please and please, you see the procedure that I passed through. I don't want anybody to become and telling me that, Mike, I lost my money. You did this, you do that. You are your own. Oh. So, now I'm not going to make any payment now. So that will be all for today. So we are going to come back in another time, which is setting up on our accounts. So